For this video, I got sent over this center console cover. Now this fits perfect on any 5th generation Ram, so whether you have a 1500, 2500, or 3500, as long as it's a 5th generation between 2019 and 2025, it's going to line up perfectly on your center console. Now one of the main reasons why you'd want this is just to help protect against any scratches, spills, or just daily wear. Now the material of this is really soft. It is made out of the polyurethane leather. It is really durable. It's super easy just to wipe clean, and it definitely feels like it's going to hold up well over time. Now installation was super easy. It does have these really nice elastic bands that just kind of go around the center part here. And there's also 2 more, one on each side, that just stretch right over the corner and fit perfectly and just gives it like that nice snug feel to it. So when you do put it down, it fits perfect on here. It does have a nice bit of cushion to it as well, so it's great to put your arm on here while you're driving, especially for those long extended car rides. It just feels a little bit more comfortable having my arm rested on here rather than just the original armrest. What I really like about it too is it does have these side pockets, which are perfect just for storing maybe like your keys or just any of your little belongings that you don't want sliding around in your truck. And because it is a custom fit for the Ram, you're not going to have to worry about any sliding or it moving around at all. It just fits perfectly. So if you're looking for the perfect way to upgrade the comfort of your Ram center console, this center console cover is a great choice. Thanks for watching.